Hello, we are up to day 194 of 365 days of art in nature, and today we have a page that is actually ruled into 3 different sections, and today we are prompted to draw the sky at 3 times of day. So the obvious would be sunrise, sunset, and then sometime during the day, whether that's high noon or whatever. Could be nighttime. You could do a rainy day, a cloudy day. You could do a rainbow. You could do a stormy day. You could do a snowy day. Entirely up to you, really, how you want to depict your 3 different times of day. There could be 3 different times of day and 3 different times of the year. So explore, experiment, use your imagination, have fun. Thanks for watching.